Pick a number, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Behind each number is a stoic cardinal virtue and some reflection prompts. Virtues guide us to live with integrity, and they're strengthened through choice and challenge. They remind us that true strength is built from the inside out. As always, be sure to pause before you select your number. Ready? Okay. If you picked number 1, the virtue calling you today is courage. Courage isn't an emotion, it's a decision. And every act of courage redraws the boundaries for what is possible for us. Here are your reflection prompts. How might courage look quieter than you imagined? So does it look like rest, honesty, letting go? If you trusted that fear is not your enemy, what would you do next? If you selected number 2, the virtue calling you today is self-control. When we learn to govern our emotions and our thoughts and our behaviors, we stop letting chaos dictate our lives. Discipline is freedom disguised as restraint. Here are your reflection prompts. Where in your life do you mistake suppression for self-mastery? What habit could you adjust to align more with your values? If you picked number 3, the virtue calling you today is wisdom. Wisdom is when understanding finally whispers, "Now I see." And it isn't always about what we know. Sometimes it's about gently holding what we don't know. Here are your questions. What's one lesson that life is asking you to integrate right now? What's one piece of borrowed wisdom that stayed with you? If you selected number 4, the virtue calling you today is justice. Justice doesn't begin in the courts, it begins within our conscience. And to live justly is to choose fairness, even when no one is watching. Here are your questions. What feels unfair in your life? And when have you been on the wrong side of justice? And what did that teach you about your need to be right?